So today we're going to take a look at the Microsoft Access Key and Lock Tracking Database. And this is a template, of course, just like all of our other templates. It is meant to be customized either by yourself or someone at your location who knows Access, or you could hire us to do it as well. And when you purchase the template, you have the rights where you can edit, make any type of edits or customization, or depending on your license, even do a resale. So that's what's unique about the templates that we offer here at Winning Solutions. And that is that unlike an out-of-the-box solution, an off-the-shelf software solution, it could be customized to any level that you desire. And any change can be made at any time, rather than in a lot of cases, if there's a feature or a bug, well, you report it, maybe they'll get you it in their next version in 2 years. Who knows? Here, it's your software. You control it down to the very most minute detail. And that's the advantage that you have working with us. Okay, without further ado, let's take a look at the template. Okay, so
Keys and locks.
this is going to be the main page. But before we go in there, let's go to maintain lists. Now, maintain lists has all sorts of categories of information. Anything you would see in a drop-down box, for example, these are the 3 categories of locks that we put in here. Condition, great, good, satisfactory, bad, poor. If you want to use a different scale, you can put a different scale in here. You could erase all these and put A, B, C, D, F, or whatever. So anything that involves a drop-down box, any pre-populated information is going to be in here. Okay, now to the main page, the key and lock maintenance. So there's a lock regular on this page. First of all, let's just do a general search. I'm going to leave the search for blank. And we just see a list of locks that we have. And of course, you can search by just item. So I can just search for anything here, LOCK. By the way, we have match as you type. So if I just want to search items, filters down that field. And of course, this can be turned on or off as well. Match as you type. So you don't have to press search each and every time. Or if you uncheck this, you would have to manually press search every time you changed your search field. Okay. So we can also use this to add a new item that comes into our system. So you can put any category. This is a
Combo lock.
manufactured by manufacturer model, put in any information, condition. Again, you notice these are the same conditions we had when we went into maintain lists. Condition. So those are the 5 conditions that we enter into here. That's how you're using the settings. Okay, so let's go ahead and again, you can edit any lock, any existing lock, upload a picture, and any description. Of course, just to briefly demonstrate that checkout process before we move on, we're going to check this out. And again, these are all the people who are in the key holder list. So let's say this is checked out, happens to be today's date, due date, and we'll check, checked out condition, satisfactory. I don't really want to, no, bring to Darth Vader. Yes. Check out. And now you see this is checked in, has a check-in link. So we'll check in and let's see. Well, Vader doesn't take very good care of things, does he? But anyway, now we can go back to this property and we have history and we see the history, check out, check in, and so forth. So you can keep track of who is taking them out and returning them and in what condition and what date. But if you want this to be displayed for all, not just when you check on it, the time, you want the time to be displayed on all, not just when you check on them, that's also a change that can be made. Okay, those owners or those contacts are going to be here in the key holders.
This works the same as for the inventory list.
But we had the checkout. These are the 5 names that appeared in the checkouts. These are vendors, customers, however you want to design it. That's how this can be used. So again, this is a template. It's meant to be customized and its use is whatever you need it to be. So we can add new key holders here too. So on and so forth, and add that information. I'll just leave it at there. And now you should appear in this list. Hey, the last thing we'll show here are the reports. And again, reports, these are going to appear a little bit bare bones, but that's okay because it is a template. And so these can be customized to any level of detail. There's no reason why you have to be limited, although there is a pretty robust set of reports listed here. You are simply not limited to these. These can be customized. Reports to be added. Edit report list. Again, if you had another report added, this is where you would add it. But key holder history, there's going to be much in there because, we did have, looks like we did have, okay, that's the checkout we did earlier. Okay, so those are the basics of the key and lock tracking database. And again, it's a template. It's meant for you to use and customize or have us customize any way that you see fit, any way that you need. The possibilities are literally endless. So thank you for watching this demo. And if you have any questions, please contact us at our website, winningsolutionsinc.com.